Hello, we're going to see a concept in consumer behavior, and the concept is see the video for the next 1 minute and try to guess the topic yourself. It's about perception. We have three case analysis for the concept perception, two case analysis on LPL and one case analysis on Nano. What is LPL? LPL is Liga Premier League. Liga Premier League hosts a variety of list of management events, sports events as well as cultural events. And there are totally 8 teams which are competing for these events. Case analysis 1. Out of these 8 teams, we selected 2 teams, Goa Superstars and Chennai Singers. And we tried to analyze the perception in choosing the logo design and the color. Let's see the response from Goa Superstars and Chennai Singers. And let's see what Gautam has in store.
Hi guys, we have the designer of Goa team here. He'll be informing us about how he have designed the logo. Yes, Herbert, we just want to know why you have designed the logo in such a manner.
Yeah, so basically we were checking a lot of prototypes from various football clubs and various national basketball clubs. So in that we wanted to stay in line with that because this is a pretty good event in those lines. We expect it to be good enough. So that's basically why we selected this.
Okay. So what are the designs that have been suggested? Other than this, what are the designs?
A lot of people are actually telling us that we'll try out a design where only you would have seen that we have a cheetah in the middle. So a lot of people are saying that let's perceive it in such a way that let's not have an animal, let's have a person. Some people said we'll have a bird. But then we personally felt that cheetah is for speed and for power. So we basically said okay, cheetah will be good enough.
Okay, regarding the color, why you have chosen the particular color and what?
Okay. Yeah, actually color is a sort of funny reason. Like I basically, like majority of our team members are followers of English Premier League. Almost all the teams which have been winning over the past few days have red colors and yellow colors. Yellow is like, we personally felt that yellow will be taken by the Chennai team basically because of Chennai Super King. So the next color with respect all over the world was red, and that's why we took it.
So what are the other suggestions you got from your team members regarding the color and why they wanted to have it?
Color, lot of people were actually talking about black, but when it comes to sports, black is not a really good color basically because the meaning also does not suit the game. But red is something for aggression and for power. That's basically why red is much more interesting and much more like, it's something like we are ready for the battle. That's basically why we went for it.
Okay. How do you differentiate yourself from other teams?
Our logo basically, we personally feel that if you perceive a design, it should basically be a design where people will understand what we are actually trying to convey. So we have the name and the cheetah saying that Goa Superstars are ready for any challenge and we are going to take the world by storm. That's why we have cheetah, one of the fastest animals in the world. And we have a few stars also, you would have noticed that. That's basically because to just show that we are 5-star people.
Thanks a lot, Howard.
Thank you.
Hi, this is Karthik Raja. He's the owner of Chennai Singers. Hi Karthik, I just want to know why you have designed this logo, this particular logo for Chennai Singers.
Actually, if you see our logo, we have a lion in this and it represents our team name actually. Chennai Singers with a lion's logo will be apt for the team's name. So we chose that logo.
So what are the other suggestions you got from your team members, like in regarding with design?
Super. In design of logo, right? Yeah, logo we initially came up with a logo where the line was facing straight to the thing, and people told it will be better if a side pose of a line is shown with all the fur and all that. So we went for the revamp of that.
So what for the logo, right? What are the colors that have been suggested by your team members
For the t-shirt such.
for the logo?
Logo, actually we wanted to get into yellow, orange or red, something in that shades. Did they make any specific recommendation? Yeah, initially we started with yellow, but they ended up with somewhere between yellow and orange.
How do you differentiate yourselves from other team when compared to in logo?
Yeah, in logo if you see we have chosen yellow color. Basically yellow is for brightness and all that, and secondly we are in Chennai and we are hosting all our games in Chennai. So if you see, Chennai Super Kings is the most victorious team in IPL, and we wanted to replicate the same strategy for LPL also. So when we take Chennai Singhams along with yellow color and along with the same lion logo, then automatically the people will get registered, the minds of the people will get registered with Chennai Super Kings or Chennai Singhams. That's the basic idea.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Case analysis 2. Team Ignite, the entrepreneurship wing of Liba, launched LPL t-shirts during the LPL season. The t-shirt was targeted for 240 students. Out of the 240 students, 90 students opted for the t-shirt. Rest others did not opt for the t-shirt. So we wanted to analyze and see the perception behind those students who opted and who did not opt for the t-shirt. Let's go and see the response.
Hi, basically two questions were asked regarding this perception. The first thing is that whether they opted for the LPL t-shirt. The reply would be yes or no. And if yes, why did they opt for the t-shirt? And if no, why did they opt for the t-shirt? So let's see the response.
No, because I don't think it's worth spending money on an LPL t-shirt when I can get something better for the same cost.
No, because I feel I want the college shirt, so I don't want to go on spending on every other shirt that comes, group shirt. So many other shirts will become group shirt, Madurai Viran shirt, financial club shirt. So I don't want like that. I'm waiting for the college shirt, that's all.
Thank you.
No, I didn't opt for the LPL t-shirt. Actually, it's a question of spending money on it. So, given a choice, I'll go for college shirt on LPL.
I didn't opt for the LPL t-shirt because I felt that next year again I'll be in some other team. So I'll have to purchase another t-shirt. So I felt that if I buy one now, it will be a waste of money.
Hi Shravan, how are you? Did you opt for the LPL t-shirt?
No.
May I know the reason for not opting it?
Because I thought that the owners would first decide if they want to take a t-shirt.
Okay.
And based on that, once they make a decision, that we would get to know about it.
Okay.
So I did not opt for any t-shirt.
So, thank you.
Yes, I've opted for LPL t-shirts. That's because it recognizes us as a group and it gives an identity to us and it bonds us together.
Hi. Hi, thank you, Saranan. Did you opt for the LPL t-shirts?
Yes, I have.
May I know the reason for?
Because it was a project done by the fellow students of my college in the entrepreneurship wing, and I thought it would make a good contribution in some way. At least I can contribute in some way.
Thanks.
So I thought I'll order.
Thank you.
Case analysis 3. It is about the nano car. We wanted to see the perception in people whether they would buy a nano car or not. Let's see what Alex Sherry has in store.
I'd like to ask you a question.
Yeah.
If you have money, are you ready to buy a nano car?
If I have money, I would not want to buy a nano car. As I would rather put in some more money and then buy something else rather than nano, because I don't think so nano solves my purpose. I would not want a nano.
So you won't buy a nano car?
Yeah, I would not buy a nano car. If I have money, I'll put in more money and get another i10 or i20, not a nano.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, thank you.
சார் உங்ககிட்ட வண்டி இருக்கா சார்?
இருக்குமா.
எந்த 2-வீலரா 4-வீலரா?
4-வீலர் இருக்குமா.
உங்களுக்கு 4-வீலர் வாங்கணும்ன்ற ஐடியா இருக்கா சார்?
இருக்குமா.
எந்த மாதிரி 4-வீலர் சார்?
ஒன்னா ஃபோர்டு, ஹோண்டா, டாடா கம்பெனியில் ரெண்டு முதல் நிறைய இருக்குது. ஆனால் ஹோண்டா வாங்கலான்னு ஐடியா இருக்குது.
இப்போ மார்க்கெட்டில் நானோன்னு ஒரு கார் 1 லட்சத்துக்கு இருக்குது, அதை நீங்கள் வாங்குவீங்களா?
அந்த வண்டி வாங்குறதோட ரோட்டில் போகிற சைக்கிளை வாங்கிக்கலாமா, செகண்ட் ஹேண்ட் இல்லையா? எதுக்கு அந்த வண்டியை நான் வாங்கணும்? நம்ம மார்க்கெட்டில் நல்லா இல்லைன்றாங்க. அதோட இப்போ மாருதியிலே 2 லட்ச ரூபாய்க்கு நல்ல வண்டி வருதுன்னு பாருங்க. நல்ல பிக்கப் இருக்குது, நல்லா இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அதே அந்த வண்டி வாங்கலாம்.
இப்போ நானும் நீங்கள் கண்டிப்பாக வாங்க மாட்டீங்க?
அந்த வண்டி வாங்க மாட்டேன்.
தேங்க்யூ சார்.
நானோ கார் வந்து ஒரு ஃபெயிலியர் மாடல். ஏன்னு கேட்டால் அது குறைந்தபட்சம் 2 பேர் போகக்கூடிய ஒரு வாகனம். இதில் 4 பேர் 3 பேர் ஒரு குடும்பத்தோடு போனால் ஸ்டார்ட்டும் ஆக மாட்டேங்குது, பிக்கப் பண்ணி போகவும் மாட்டேங்குது. இது வந்து நமக்கு ஏற்ற ஒரு வாகனமாக இல்லை. இது 1 லட்ச ரூபான்னு பேர் தான் சொல்லிக்கிறாங்களே ஒழிய திடீர்னு இதோட இன்னும் 2 லட்சம் இன்னும் 1 லட்சம் கூட போட்டு இதோட அருமையான மாடல் நல்ல பிக்கப் மாடலாக வாங்கிக்கலாம். ஆனால் இது ஃபெயிலியர் மாடல். அதனால் இது நானோ காரை விரும்பலை.
Now we come to the final conclusion part. Let's correlate the theory with practical aspects that we had in the previous videos.
Action.
Regarding the case 1, which we analyzed earlier, the focus was on the t-shirt design and the t-shirt color chosen by 2 different teams, Goa Superstars and Chennai Singhams. You can see that both the teams, they tried to establish themselves differently, which is nothing but the differential threshold, which is the concept of perception. And they had 2 different colors. One is red color, the other one is yellow color. They tried to capture the sensory cues. So that was the key, and the sensory acuity, that was the key factor in case 1 analysis. Regarding the case 2 analysis, the conclusion is this. 90 people out of 240 people opted for the t-shirt and others didn't. I think we should have gone for a subliminal threshold. That is, we should have done a basic audio or visual stimuli. Secondly, basically we can see 2 key factors affecting the LPL t-shirt purchase. The first one is the ambiguity, and the second one is physical appearance. Maybe if the t-shirt had been displayed to them, it would have created an impact, and it would have also removed the ambiguity in buying the t-shirt. So maybe they should be implemented next time. The case 3 conclusion about the Nano is that we inquired 3 people, and those people were target customers for Nano, and we saw that none opted for a Nano. The reason being, I think Nano should have done the correct association and the endorsement, the correct endorsement as well, which will fit the image and the aspiration of the Nano. I also feel that Nano should have a distinct and a recognizable image, and that would bring Nano what is required. So that's all about perception. Hope it was informative. Thank you.